ولا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
बस हो गया.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Faisal Khosa, our today's guest speaker, is a radiologist at Emory University in Atlanta and an honorary professor at universities across the globe. He also has the rare distinction of board certification in radiology in USA, Europe, and Canada. His research and educational endeavors are cutting edge and have made him. He has received several international awards, including scholarship for a diploma in management from Department of Health in Ireland, the American Roger Gray Scholarship in USA, and now alumni in class from Government of Pakistan. Additionally, he has also mentored and facilitated many young Pakistani physicians into research and residency positions in Europe, Canada, and USA. Ladies and gentlemen, I take the opportunity of inviting Professor Dr. Faisal Khosa for his lecture on residency abroad.
I am honored आपके प्रिंसिपल साहब आपकी एजुकेशनल काउंसिल ने मुझे इनवाइट किया. Professor Saab is very kind and his introduction is very kind, and he said that I deliver lectures all over the world, but no place in the world gives me more pleasure than delivering lectures to my own. If I were to await perfection, this presentation would not have been possible. I have no financial disclosures and I have no money, believe it or not. Residency, I go to residency intermittently and I bounce back, and it's a moral ethical lecture as well as about your future. So I've mixed it up and not made it boring. There were a few videos that won't work, unfortunately, with system compatibility with us, but at least I can show you some of the slides. So when I was growing up, we were told you are known by the company you keep. That was then. The truth now is you are actually the average of the 5 people you most frequently interact with. So average is not the top. Average is actually the middle. So be careful of your associations. And I know people tell me that we are resilient, so the company doesn't matter. The best stainless steel sword, अगर आप उसको तलवार को भी salt water में रखते हो, it rusts, and you cannot be more resilient than a stainless steel sword. What to do? I'll talk about that, and then what not to do. And success in life and successful people are those who do a few things right in life, not many things, not 100 things, not a million things. Who do a few things right and even fewer wrong. And that is what determines if you will be successful or not. So here we have rules. Admit mistakes, learn and move on. I interview people, I mentor people, and people carry the weight of decades on them. 10 years down the road, once they have graduated from the medical school and you ask them, how has life been? begin, they start with a supply in anatomy. तो 10-12-15 साल बाद भी उसको supply का वजन उठा के कर रहे होते हैं. And when you're in an interview, you've got to talk good about yourself. जैसे आप दुकानदार हो, सौदा बेच रहे हो. अगर आप कहोगे ये गाजर की गली है, ये टमाटर की सड़ा हुआ है, तो is anybody going to buy? No, and it's no different. So the unfortunate thing is कि हम अपनी misfortunes निकाल के दुनिया के आगे रख देते हैं. I was interviewing somebody recently, ये 3 महीने पहले की बात है, and it was somebody who was well qualified. हमारी पाकिस्तानी बहन थी, and she's, you know, I picked up the phone and I called her to interview on the telephone, and she tells me she is divorced. And I didn't even ask about that. And then she tells me she's got 2 kids. And while she was trying to get my sympathy, she was telling me she should not be given the job. And the reason for that is because she had 2 kids, she was divorced. आप उसको residency या आप उसको research job दे देते तो बच्चे कौन देखेगा? So while she was trying to sell herself, she was making a colossal mistake. So don't do that. Don't tell me that you've got a supply जब मैंने पूछी नहीं है. Don't tell me you're divorced जब मैंने पूछा नहीं है. Don't tell me आप लगा के चलते हो तो वो job physician की है, marathon runner की नहीं है. And we do that. That's why I'm telling you. और फिर people tell me that they've never been told. Now you should say that because you are being told. Know what you want. Directionless and meaningless are 2 sides of the same coin. और वो सिक्का कौन सा है? खोटा सिक्का है. चलेगा नहीं वो. It's the exact same coin. वो एक साइड देखो या दूसरी देखो, खोटा सिक्का है. Aim high, it's not a failure but low aim, which is a crime. Sorry, this video is not running because of patent issues. I'll go to the next one. Life and farming. Remember, life is like farming. खेती बाड़ी की तरह है आपकी जिंदगी. Never bring your need to the farm. You need to bring the seed to the farm. जमीन के पास आप जाके ये कह सकते हैं मुझे फसल उधारी दे दो. अगले साल जब मैं काश्त करूंगा तो उतार दूंगा आपका कर्ज. It doesn't work like that. Life is like farming. And let me tell you how. In farming you've got the soil. जो किसान है वो आपकी जिंदगी में आप हो, मेरी जिंदगी में मैं हूँ. बीज है, सीजन्स है, फर्टिलाइजर है और आपकी जमीन है. Now what do we do? यहाँ का तालीमी निज़ाम खराब है क्या? जमीन खराब है. यहाँ टीचर अच्छे नहीं है, फर्टिलाइजर खराब है. करते you label everything bad. But you just destroyed everything you got to work with. Until and unless you get your own planet, which I hope you someday will, you've got to live in this planet. So it is very easy to blame and point fingers. Everybody I talk to has a blame list of 50 to 100. और मैं जिसको research job या residency के लिए interview करता हूँ तो अपने पाकिस्तानी भाइयों के साथ मैं थोड़ी सी liberty ले लेता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ all the misfortunes in your life, number 1 list है, and number 2 write down क्यों हुआ. So हर misfortune के साथ मुझे 10 करते मुझे 50-60 की blame list हो जाती है. And when I read that, I pay attention. And then I tell them, it's your blame list, how come you are not on it? If it is your blame list and you want to succeed in life, you should be number 1 on your blame list. And number 2 wouldn't matter. A sensible craftsman never blames his tools. And tools is what you've got to work with, the environment you live in. You can't change that. You're a sensible craftsman. अगर आपको अपनी जिंदगी को तराशना है, तो you won't blame the tools. Because if you blame the tools, what else do you have to work with? How do you develop yourself then? You won't. An empty bag cannot stand upright. तो थोड़ा चना बाजे घना, but it can't stand upright. It won't. The wind is only supposed to soar off, but it's not going to last. So do not be fooled and don't fool others. Character, remember, is not made during difficult times. It's only manifested. And character is not something like your fingerprints that you were born with and cannot change. Character is something which you were not born with and must take the responsibility to form. It's not your fingerprints which you were born with or बदल नहीं सकते हैं. Character is your responsibility, it's your character, and that will determine whether you succeed in life or not. Expectations which you may have always do more than what is expected. This is the only way to exceed expectations. I ask people, आप 4 बजे या 4:30 बजे क्यों जा रहे हो? ड्यूटी आवर्स 5 बजे तक है, and they will point to all the empty desks. वो भी तो चलेंगे. मैं तो दरअसल 4 बजे या 4:30 बजे जा रहा हूँ, 5 से पहले जा रहा हूँ. 15 मिनट मुझे पूछते थे 3 बजे चले गए. और फिर मैं कहता हूँ ये आप इन 15 जैसे बनना चाहते हो, आप अपनी जिंदगी का म्यार इन 15 जैसा चाहते हो, नहीं हम तो सबसे बेहतर होना चाहते हैं. You want to be better than them and yet you want to follow them? If you want to be better than somebody, you want to lead. You will not be better by somebody than somebody by following them. And it's errors in judgment that, it's errors in judgment that do that. Which other expectations which others have of you. An advertised job description cannot be amended on your request. They will not tailor-make the job to you. If you don't tell yourself well, if you're not equipped well, and on the same note, principles of very kind, I have 100 audio books with me, which he's asked for, and I'm going to give it to him to put in the library. And those books are, some are on personal development, some are on leadership, some are on human interaction development, some are on discipline. And these are books that are recommended at prestigious universities as part of the curriculum all over the world. So today I give it to Principal Sir, and I hope that some of you take time to go through those books, because it reflects, ignorance is not a bliss. What you don't know will definitely harm you. Life is designed to reward, deserve and not desire. Once you know that, it becomes easy. Remember, the path of a driven person is always easy. क्योंकि वो अपनी मजबूरी को माकूल बना के नहीं पूछता. Those who give the decree that something is impossible need to get out of the way of those already doing it. Impossible is just a big word. This is what Muhammad Ali said that he was the ultimate underdog in India ने इस्लाम कबूल किया था. This is 1964. मेरी पैदाइश से पहले की बात है. Just wanted to clarify. I'm not that old, maybe I look that old, but 1964 was when he was the ultimate underdog, और obviously Islam ने कबूल किया था. In a country जहाँ पे काले को इंसान नहीं समझा जाता था, तो काला मुसलमान तो इंसान बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. Unfortunately, so that everybody was betting against him, and he was told, तुझे गोली मारेंगे रिंग में और तुझे ये कर देंगे, don't go to the ring. That time he said impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who prefer to live in the world they have been given than to try and explore the power they have to change it. And that is the belief you need to have in God, and that is the belief you need to have in yourself. And then there are no challenges, there are no problems, it's only opportunities. It's half glass, if there is half a glass of water, it's half full or half empty is your interpretation. The glass is the same. What you need to do, remember that failing to plan is the same as planning to fail. So don't tell me that you don't have plans. Because if you fail to plan, you actually plan to fail. There's no other way of looking at it. So you want to plan your life. आप चिंटी को देखो, एक हकीम जानवर है जिसको हम लोग पैर के नीचे देखे तो मार देते हैं, पर खुदा ने उसको भी ऐसी सलाह दी है कि वो पूरी गर्मी या सर्दियों के लिए खाना इकट्ठा करती है. So should we not be better than ants? Should we not plan early? Yes, you will be after all. अशरफुल मखलूक़ात है, अल्लाह ने कौन सी नेमत दे दी है. पर एक चिमटी भी सारी गर्मियां खाना इकट्ठा करती है, क्योंकि उसको सर्दियों में पता होता है कि मुझे वही रिजल्ट खाना है. So how can you not start planning in first year or second year or third year and wait till you're done with the house job and then have your sad story to tell to the rest of the world? You have to be blamed, not the system, not your teachers, not your parents, nobody else. Take initiative. And what is initiative? It's doing the right thing without being told. That is what initiative. Be the master of your destiny. Your attitude determines your altitude in life. Martin Luther King, another black man who was assassinated and during the same time as the turbulence in America, what he said was to accuse others of one's own misfortunes is a sign of want of education. To accuse oneself shows that one's education has begun. And to accuse neither oneself nor others shows that your education is well underway. And remember one thing, nobody can ride your back if it is not bent. Nobody can blackmail you अगर आपका जो character जो है वो flawless है. nobody can entice you into doing something wrong अगर आपका ज़मीर जो है वो आपका साथ देता है. So nobody can make you do anything. Whatever you do is by choice. We don't own it. We don't take responsibility for it, but it is by choice. Success versus failure. And I asked this question of each one of the salesmen, services men, and I asked the question success versus failure, and how do you define success, and how do you define failure, and how do you pursue, or how do you attract. I have already two, and people gave me definition, but I'll give you my definition. Success is not something you pursue. It's like a butterfly. You cannot quite catch it. Success is not something you pursue. Success is something you attract. How do you do that? By becoming attractive. How do you become attractive? By increasing your understanding. By reading more than medicine. Cricket matches or football matches will entertain you, of course, but you will not grow from them. I'm not saying don't indulge in these luxuries, but don't overindulge in these things. Don't overindulge in anything. It's not always our answers. Sometimes it's our questions that are available to our minds. Be careful with your questions. Think it through before you blurt it out. Sky cannot be the limit when there are footsteps on the moon. So never tell anybody, I don't tell anybody sky is the limit. Because there are footsteps on the moon. It's beyond that. And another thing which I've noticed here, every time I come back, unfortunately it gets worse, and let me share it with you. Everybody's life has two circles. There is a circle of influence and a circle of concern. If your circle of influence and circle of concern overlap completely, you will be a Nobel Prize winner. You will not be a lesser of a success. You will have stupendous success in life. The problem arises when your circle of concern is massive and your circle of influence is tiny. And yet again there is no overlap between the two. And I'll tell you why and why I say that and what I mean. I mean, I see people, reading newspaper back to front and people listening to news all day. And what does that do for you? Nothing. आप अपने काम पे जाते हो तो क्या आप अच्छे मूड में जाते हो? कि 12 घंटे बिजली नहीं आ रही, 3 खत्म हो गए, 2 जगह बाहर फट गए, कुछ बैंक टूट गए. How does that make you feel? Does it make you feel good? Can you be a peak performer after continuously traumatizing your brain with all that garbage? और फिर लोग कहते हैं कि वो पता तो लगेगा कहाँ नहीं जा रहा, तो मैं कहता हूँ यार मुसलमान लोग कुछ मारे के जहाँ लिखी आ जाएंगे. और या कराची और Peshawar or Quetta or ये सब जगह बाहर फट गए लिखी हुए. What are you doing to your life? And that's by choice, isn't it? That's by choice. How can you have a positive mental attitude and be at peak performance after you follow that trash all day? You cannot. Simple as that. Every impression leaves, every contact leaves its impression. ये कुर्सियाँ जिन पे आप बैठे हैं ये बेजान है. 5 मिनट बैठने के बाद उठते हैं तो आपका इंप्रेशन उस कुर्सी पे अगले 10 मिनट होता है. इसी तरह जो आप इनपुट ले रहे हैं आप तो जानता है बेजान चीज पे जब आपका इंप्रेशन रह जाता है